Okay, so in the previous videos, we saw how you can actually provision your Azure OpenAI service, how you can actually create your deployment. And once your deployment is created, we actually went ahead and created the environment variables as well. Now I'll show you how you can actually make use of Azure OpenAI with Microsoft Agent Framework. And this is where I'll show you the beauty of MAF and how easy it is to move from one platform or from let's say from OpenAI to Azure OpenAI, or from Azure OpenAI to another platform, right? So it's that straightforward. So what we'll do is we can actually go ahead and create a copy of the one that we had created. So I will create a sample MAF OpenAI copy and I will actually rename this. So I will rename this as sample MAF, let's say we call it Azure OpenAI .py, right? So this is our file now. And what we need to do is now I'll show you how you can easily transition from an OpenAI Python code to an Azure OpenAI Python code. So first line is fine, async IO from agent framework.openai. Instead of this, we will just say .azure, right? And here I will say import Azure OpenAI response client. So if I say Azure OpenAI responses client, right? Then from .env, load.env is fine. I'm just loading my environment file, which is actually the environment file is there. And then what we need to do is it actually automatically comes up with it. But I just wanted to show it to you. So you can actually choose this and accept it as well. So all I did was I just changed the OpenAI client to Azure OpenAI responses client, and rest all is same. So here you can say sample MAF Azure OpenAI agent, an agent that demonstrates Azure OpenAI integration with MAF. So it's kind of changed all that, which is pretty good. If you were not getting that, then also it would have been pretty easy. So if I take you back, this was the OpenAI client. So all I did was change the this to Azure OpenAI responses client, changed OpenAI responses client to Azure OpenAI responses client, and rest, yeah, pretty straightforward, pretty simple, right? Rest everything is same. And remember, it is actually making use of this environment file where it is making use of Azure OpenAI endpoint, response, deployment name, and OpenAI key. So let's go ahead and see if we can execute it fine. Okay, so let's go ahead and now actually execute this and see how it works. So I click here and I execute it. And you can see the sample MAF Azure OpenAI.py is running, and yeah, and it has already run fine. It says information about MAF, which is standardized way to build AI agents with tools, memory reasoning, supports orchestration of models, provides built-in safety, grounding, integrates with Azure OpenAI and Microsoft AI services, enables multi-step goal-driven task execution, offers reusable components. So pretty good, right? So here in this video, we were able to make quick tweaks to the OpenAI Python file and convert it into an Azure OpenAI file. So thanks for watching.